Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Each time you create an invoice or sales receipt that includes sales tax, QuickBooks enters the information into your sales tax payable account register. QuickBooks keeps track of transactions for all tax vendors using the same sales tax payable account. You can open the sales tax payable register to inspect the entries by opening the chart of accounts list and then double-clicking the sales tax payable account within the list. Each entry in the sales tax payable register represents a single tax transaction. Taxes you record on invoices and sales receipts appear as increases to the account balance, and payments you make to tax agencies appear as decreases to the balance. The ending balance of the register is the current tax liability. Some transactions within the register may have the same invoice number shown. When you record two sales tax items in the same sale or invoice, often when using a sales tax group, the register makes a separate entry for each separate tax collected.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.